The name East Sea, used for 2,000 years, disappeared from world maps. How then did the name disappear? How was it that the colonial Japanese replaced it in the early 20th century with the name Sea of Japan?
The criteria for naming the oceans and seas were standardized by the IHO following its establishment in 1919. In its first conference, government representatives from around the world decided on the appropriate names of adjacent seas. However, under Japanese colonial rule, Korea could not send a delegation. East Sea, a name Korea had been using for 2,000 years, was abruptly replaced with Sea of Japan by Japanese representatives. When the first edition of the Limits of Oceans and Seas was published in 1929, the name East Sea was nowhere to be found.
During Japanese colonial period, there is no way represented our views when East Sea was changed Sea of Japan in IHO conference. The name must be reconsidered because this is what became the standard for all map makers thereafter.
Until East Sea appears again on reputable world maps, Korea will work with governments, organizations, and scholars around the world to restore the legitimate name of East Sea.